Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Photoshop, even if you are a complete beginner. Here, you can see that I have a photo open in my window. To insert your photos, you can simply drag and drop them, or press Ctrl+O on the keyboard. Once the photo is loaded, you can experiment and change lots of different things inside Photoshop. But for beginners, the most efficient and simple way to start working on your images is to unlock the layer by clicking the padlock icon. This allows you to move the image around, resize it, and make adjustments freely. For this particular image, I want to brighten it up and make it sharper because it's quite dark and the colors look a bit bland. To fix this, I'm going to head over to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. This will open a new window. The first thing I like to do is press Auto, which gives you a nice base look and brightens the image quite nicely. For many beginners, that alone might be enough to improve the photo, but you can experiment further in this tab. You can increase the exposure to make it brighter, increase the contrast to make the colors a bit richer, and increase the highlights to make the bright areas stand out, while making sure they aren't too intense. You can also increase the shadows slightly to brighten the face while keeping the whites at a natural level so it doesn't look overly bright. Next, if you increase the temperature, it will give you a warm tone, and if you decrease it, it will give you a cool tone. Select your preferred color tone. You can adjust the green to magenta color balance by editing the tint. You can also adjust the intensity of the colors by editing the vibrance. Next, expand the Effects tab and increase the texture and clarity to help the details stand out more. This part depends on the condition of your photo, so edit the color panel according to your photo. Once you are happy with the look, press OK. And as you can see, our photo looks pretty good. Let's compare the results. If I undo the Camera Raw filter, you can see that in just a couple of minutes, we've gone from a dark, flat image to something much brighter, clearer, and more colorful in Adobe Photoshop. As a beginner, this is a quick and powerful way to enhance your photos and start getting confident with editing. You can always continue experimenting inside the Camera Raw filter to achieve the exact style you're after. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.